Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is a great day. We are here to fetch the car. We have fully paid off the car, so we are now free from owing any banks. Remember my testimony I was talking about? This is the testimony. So come with me as we get the car. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Welcome back. If you can see all these cars that have been repossessed, they've been sold already. Very brand new cars, very nice cars.
It wasn't easy.
We have to capture the car. Hey, it's not easy, Baba. It's not easy, yeah. Okay. And then I need a witness signature. Can you come and sign for me, please? Welcome back. So we are done. We just got the keys. Our book is back. So we're just waiting for the car to be prepared, and then we are off to take our baby home. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Hi, Mr. Nambi.
Hello.
Hello, big
everyone.
brother.
Hello everyone, this is the place. This is the place. As you see many cars around here,
Yeah.
this is the place. You
This
can
is-
come here. It's an auction place. If you want to buy a car, you just come here, you get a nice car here.
Yeah.
This is the place.
Thank you, big brother. Okay. Show us a tour around the car quickly. There's the baby.
Exit down. How will you take it?
Ready to move the baby home? Oh, Manu is going to the other car.
Okay, so what did they say?
Hi, welcome back to this vlog where I actually get to show you about my journey getting back our car that was repossessed and that we have finally paid off. We don't owe anybody, we don't owe the bank, we didn't take any credit, we didn't take any overdrafts. So this is just to encourage you. Anything is possible if you are dedicated, if you are committed. There's nothing that you cannot do. So I just want to come in today to say that sometimes you want to rush into things, but there's also a testimony when you are able to wait for those things that you want. So I hope this story of mine encourages you. If you've lost something, if you are in a tough time, don't give up, because your story is about to change. So this is just my testimonial to just show you that I also go through problems and situations. Don't forget to continue to support me by following my channel on YouTube. Until next time, where I get to show you my life and inspire you and motivate you. Don't give up no matter what you are going through. Dr. Nambi signing out with this very inspiring episode of, you know, how we did it, basically paying off our car in a period of 3 months and be able to get it back as our own car again. Thank you so much. It was tough being laughed at, or you know, the tears that we had to shed, but today those tears are, you know, happiness, it's joy, is, you know, we are so blessed. So I'm thankful for the people that have been supporting me in this journey, the friends of mine from Bella Bella who were willing to even borrow us any small amount of money that we wanted to borrow. Yet, you know, you gave your all to just help us to, you know, reach this dream of ours. Even though we said no, I still want to take this opportunity to say thank you for opening up, for supporting us in this journey that was really tough. And also for, you know, people that are close to me, my husband, you know, for always, you know, continuing to support me despite the hardships that I'm always going through. Thank you so much. I will see you with the next